thanks for joining me on this video today. I'm about to make my morning juice, so come with me and let's check out the ingredients. So guys, in this juice I am starting off with 2 sticks of celery that I've washed thoroughly and I've just broken in half, an apple that I've taken the core out of, and for apples you could use red or green, and you could even substitute that with a pear. I've got, as usual, a nice chunk of ginger, again thoroughly washed, and today I've got some broccoli. Now this is the first time I'm using broccoli in a juice, and I had this because it was going off in the fridge and I didn't want to waste it. So it'll be interesting to see how the juice tastes with that. And then I have in here a baby lettuce, which I've again washed really thoroughly. It's so important to wash your fruits and vegetables really well because they sometimes contain a lot of insects, very small insects, and also if they're not organic, then you know, they will have pesticides on them, so you don't want any of those things in your juice. So it's really important to give them a really good wash. So I have my Jack LaLanne power juicer all set up, so let's get juicing. So here we go guys, this is my juice. This is pure juice from all of those ingredients. So now I'm going to serve it up. So I've got a little bit of ice in my mug, and now I'm just going to serve it all up. So guys, there you go, that's my morning juice. Now the great thing about juicing is that you can vary your ingredients, different quantities, in order to get the taste that you're after. But always remember, juicing is about getting all that good stuff into your body, all those vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, all those nutrients, all of that good stuff in your body. And when you're juicing with vegetables, it may not always taste the best. It might not be the tastiest thing that you consume in your day, but you're putting all of that good stuff in your body. But remember, you can always adjust your recipe with enhancers such as lemons, limes, apples, pears, ginger, all of those things to get the taste, to make it palatable. Okay guys, if you found this video of value, please hit that thumbs up, the like button. If you've not already subscribed to my channel, please hit that red button and the notification bell so you'll be notified of more videos as and when I upload them. And also leave me a comment in the comment section below. Let me know if you've started your juicing journey, and if you have, how are you getting on? How many juices do you have a day or a week? And are you noticing any benefits? So do come back and I will see you soon. Okay guys, see you soon. Bye.